Hey everyone. Today, we're starting something really important, our BNF study series. We're diving deep into the BNF book, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. So, do you know why this playlist is going to be a game changer for you? We've been chatting about these topics in groups, sharing info bit by bit, so you can remember everything without feeling overwhelmed or bored. This isn't just a random study, it's a smart way to learn that sticks with you. I'm here to make it super easy for you to level up in your medical or pharmacy journey. Whether you're a student or a professional, this series will help you understand how to use the BNF confidently. No stress, no confusion. Here's a little introduction to our work. We'll cover 16 main contents, starting with the gastrointestinal system, then the cardiovascular system, and many more important body systems and topics related to medicines. Step by step, we'll work through all these areas, so by the end, you'll have a strong grasp of the whole BNF. You might always think, as someone in the medical field, what do I know and what don't I know? Don't be afraid. That's completely normal. I'm here to guide you through exactly the things you don't know in the right order so you can build your knowledge step by step without feeling lost. This way, you can confidently move forward in your medical career or studies. In this playlist, we'll break down the BNF book, explain tricky parts clearly, and share practical tips on how to use it like a pro. By the end of the series, you'll be able to find information quickly, understand medicine use better, and make safer, smarter decisions in real life situations. So get ready. Grab your BNF book or open your app, and let's start this journey together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next videos. Let's go.